Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing Ipsy. I know the bag looks empty. I have everything in front of me. Somebody decided to call me and interrupt my video, so I'm doing it for the second time. So anyway, I'm going to start with my 3 add-ons that I got. What I should say is that my January bag finally arrived today. It was missing since January 10th. I'm not sure exactly what happened. I don't know if it's Landmark's fault. I don't know if Customs is backlogged right now. All I know is that it was in Landmark's hand, and then January 10th, and then nothing and nothing and nothing. And then I contacted Ipsy saying, what is going on? It's at the end of the month. You know, this is my second bag in 2 months that has gone missing. They said, okay, we're gonna send you a new bag. That bag just crossed over into Canada tonight. So that one should be here Monday or Tuesday. I didn't think I was gonna see this bag. I do not know what exactly is in the other bag. They said that, you know, things sell out, so they would just send me whatever they had. But I'm really, really thrilled that I got this bag because I had 3 add-ons and a point perk purchase. But yeah, I'm getting a little frustrated with Ipsy right now, but I'm really glad that it came. It's not even Ipsy's fault. It's the shipping. It's a shipping issue, so I can't really even hold it on Ipsy because I mean they got my add-ons, they got everything out. I live in Canada. They got it all out within, you know, the first 10 days of January. Just went into oblivion. I don't know where it went. I asked the postal ladies, do you know if there's any issues with customs right now? And they said they didn't know and that they wouldn't even be told because they don't want everyone else to know. So there's my rant. So let's, I'm going to show you what I bought. I do plan on doing a giveaway once I get closer to 500 people. So let's say like 480, 490. I'm going to post that video of what's in the bag, but I do have a little bit of a surprise, as in that I want people to tell me what they want to see in the bag. So if you see something on any of my videos, comment on them and say, hey, this product should be in your giveaway bag. I would love to win it then, and stuff like that. So the bag that I'm giving a giveaway is going to have all sample sizes with a couple of full sizes in it, and then at the 1,000 subscriber mark, I have I'm going to try and do an all full size. I'm trying, not guaranteed, but in that full size the 1,000 subscribers giveaway, I have the Tarte highlighting palette that was given to us in Boxy, and then I have a few other things I'm thinking about adding. So like a full size eyeshadow palette. So it could be a few of them that I haven't touched yet. So like I said, comment and let me know what you would like to see either in the 500 or the 1,000, and I will try and do that for you guys, or ladies I should say, since, well, both really. But anyway, let's start here. So I got this. I ordered 2 of them, and I'm not sure if I'm getting this replaced in my replacement bag. We'll see on Monday, hopefully, or even tomorrow maybe. If I do, I will be giving 1 away, as I don't need 3, let alone 2. This is a beautiful palette. I'm not going to pull it out of the box. I'm going to leave it in there. I do have the full size that was given to me in the BoxyLuxe for December. I now have this in mini size twice. I bought it twice because, like I said, my December bag went missing, and I wanted to get this for sure. I didn't realize it was the exact same palette because, of course, I was so excited that they had another Violet Voss product and that I wanted it, and yeah, excitement gets to me. So the next item I ordered was the Luxe contour brush. I already have this one. I haven't tried it yet. I have the airbrush one, foundation one from the BoxyLuxe, and I have to say it's one of my favorite brushes. Constantly reaching for it, but I thought I'd get this contour brush, so this may go in a giveaway of some sort, either the sample bag or the big bag, we'll see. And the last item I got, so this was $3, this was $3, and this was $12. So I got Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I am going to be using this tonight. Look at that. and it smells so good. I cannot wait to take off my makeup tonight with this. I've tried the Pharmacy Green Balm and I really like it. So again, this was $3. I'm going to be trying that and I'll let you know how it goes. My point purchase was the Grace and Stella Collagen Facial Mask. I am a big fan of masks. I love them all the time. So this one is for reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I was told I have new lines forming. Just had my birthday, so I'm getting older. So let's get to the bag. The bag is this beautiful bag. I actually really like this bag. It has like a little bit of a denim feel to it. There's a card in here. New year, more products, more focus on you. It says 5 new features, pick your passions. Now you can add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag. We're rolling out a new beauty quiz to learn more about which products you want each month. Keep an eye out for an invite to tell us your favorites. I actually, when I loaded up the app on the 2nd, it went through everything and it asked me, like, now instead of saying, do you want mascara, it'll ask if you want it always, occasionally, or never, or rarely, I should say, which is kind of nice. We'll see if that changes things, because some of the items I got this month I really didn't need, didn't want, and didn't have on my my beauty quiz. So the first item I have here is the Illamasqua coloring pencil in brown. I'm actually wearing it if you can see it. I really like it, but I don't need to, so this will be going to a friend. The next item I got, again, in my other Ipsy bag, is the SL Miss Glam SB68. So this will be going in the giveaway bag. It is gorgeous. I love the handle on it. It's really nice. The next item I have is the Fluid lip gloss. It apparently makes your teeth look whiter with the blue tinge. I haven't tried it. I will be keeping one for myself, maybe one in the giveaway. We don't know. We'll see. You want it? Leave a comment below. Next item I have here is Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisturizing CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete. I am really excited to use this, as my hair is usually dry and it's horrible. But I tried that Chlorine shampoo and conditioner that I got from FabFitFun bundle, and I have to say I absolutely love it. My hair has never been softer. You have to excuse the mess that it's in today. I kind of fell asleep with my hair wet last night, and I had to wear, like, I have to wear a hat at work sometimes, so I was wearing that today. So it did a duty on my hair. So the last item I have here is Golden Faden MD Solution Skin Balancing Mask, Botanical Rich Refining Treatment, Malic Acid, Ginseng, and Vitamin E. Dr. Golden Faden's Supercharged Skin Perfecting Mask works to revitalize balance, leaving skin feeling soft, looking smooth, and appearing healthy. Ooh, you might feel a slight tingle. As most people know, when you watch my videos, I do like masks. I use them all the time. I use them during the week. My daughter thinks I'm crazy when I wear them. She's a year old and kind of looks at me funny. So let's see here. So these are the items. Whoops, not that one. The items I got from this month. These 2 items I was definitely excited for, so I'm really thrilled that this bag showed up. My replacement bag, we'll see what I get, and I will post that. This video is kind of running on, so I need you guys to subscribe, hit the like button, let me know in the comments what you would like to see in my giveaway bag. If you have that bell on, it'll tell you when I do load up the video for the giveaway. Remember, it has to be closer to 500 people, so if you could share, get people to sign up, that'd be great. I'd appreciate that. And don't forget, at 1,000 people I have a bigger giveaway to do. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.